men lost their minds. Do you guys remember that guy who wanted to play hide and seek with me? Well, ये बंदा उससे भी बदतर है. Hi, I'm Vaishnavi and welcome to another episode of Dating Disasters. And this one is so good. You're gonna go like, let's get to it. The first pictures he sent me was actually two of your pictures are quite attractive. I know, right? And I'd like to have some conversations with you for sure. बात कर देना, भाव मत खाना यार. And you play badminton too? Yes, sir, I do. But मैंने इसकी profile देखी और मैंने पूछा, hey, do you not live in Gurgaon? He said, not actually. I'll be visiting this weekend. 3 hours to me. Bro, like 3 hours is long distance. I wrote, long distance क्यों करना है तुम्हें? घर है क्या तुम्हारा यहाँ? पिलानी girls, you'll be disappointed to hear what he said next. क्योंकि यहाँ पिलानी में अच्छे लोग नहीं मिले. So naturally, I thought कि इतना 3 घंटे travel करके आएगा, so he might be looking for a relationship, right? To which he writes, and remember this, I'm looking for a relationship only, not here for hookups, yaar. I sent you a like only cause you love dogs and you play badminton, plus you looked smart. So I was like, yeah, I know, but what if I told you I'm not looking for a relationship? You need to test the waters, girls. Then it would be sad for me and we will have to stop the conversations. I was like, ओए होए लौंडे को relationship चाहिए सच्ची में? Then just some random get to know each other. उसके बाद उसने मुझे voice note भेजा.
हाय वैष्णवी, मेरा सेल्फी है जिसमें तुम्हारे बाल बहुत कर्ली कर दिख रहा है और इसके अलावा हाँ मतलब you look good.
I look good. Tell me something I don't know, Ray. So far so good, right? The next message is going to blow your mind. He asked, can we have blind sex without knowing me? I am the real person with real pictures, by the way. What? Did he just write, can we have blind sex without knowing me? Like, what the f***? यहाँ पर I was like, but you said you were looking for a relationship, no? And listen to this. Not actually. Who is seeking for relationships here? I'm open to possibilities actually. भाई बंदा पहले बोल रहा है कि उसको relationship चाहिए, फिर कहता है यहाँ पे कौन relationship ढूंढ रहा है? Dude, why? फिर एकदम frank होके मैंने बोल दिया, you only said you want a relationship, so what? You were just lying before to get me into bed? Nope, I'm open to possibilities. Then why are you suggesting blind sex? बहुत ही funny चीज लिखी उसने. Because I'll be visiting Delhi this weekend. अब if you wanna meet, let me know, or it's completely fine as of now. उसके बाद he was respectful and said, I apologize if it's over the line, but I told you what I genuinely wished. इस पे I told him, okay, it's way over the line, but I actually appreciated कि उसने खुद से बता दिया कि this is what he actually wanted. So इससे हमने क्या सीखा? For all the men, please प्रोफाइल पे सच लिखो. जो चाहिए वो लिख दो यार. And girls, अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि उसको relationship चाहिए तो उसके words and actions दोनों मैच करना, scrutinize करना, and make sure you don't end up going on a date with a creep. Subscribe for more.